What's up, eComShipper folks? Check this out. I'm going to show you guys our new eComShipper app, which is literally going to revolutionize your shipping charging needs based off anything else you've seen inside of the App Store. I promise you that. So just take a minute here and take a look at what we have set up for your store, along with a 14-day free trial. Now, the first thing I'm showing you on the page here is the actual training site. I do also want to show you a quick overview of what the app looks like from the inside here. If you look inside here, you can see this gives you a bird's eye view of your products and also what you are charging. Now, we did also add express shipping. What that will do is it'll make it look like this inside of your store, which is pretty cool because it can add an additional upsell or bump sell inside of the shopping cart with the express shipping option. Now, those words are completely customizable, but before I get into that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this quick little overview right here of how you edit the cost of your products. So in this one here, what we did is we left express shipping as 0. So what that'll do is it'll just not show up at all inside of the shopping cart if you leave it at 0, but if you put some numbers in here, then they'll show up. Then if you want duplicate cost over and above the standard shipping cost, so if someone ordered 10 or more, this is what their shipping cost would be. If they ordered 20 or more, this is what their shipping cost would be. Now, here's another cool feature that we added that a lot of people in our group was asking for, and that was the accept feature. Basically what this means is, like, let's say you had a shipping rule right here for, let's say it was free shipping if you spent $50 in the store. Problem with that is if you're doing a free plus shipping type of offer or any other type of promotion where you still wanted to charge shipping, they would be affected if someone bought multiple items or multiples of that one item. Then they would end up being free on shipping if you had a free shipping rule. What this does is it's an accept feature, so this product would not be affected by the cost of the total sales of the store for just this particular product, which is pretty cool. The other thing that you have here is variant. There's no variants on this, just one product. But if you had multiple variants, let's say you had like a gold and a silver necklace, gold costs a little bit more, but you wanted the pricing to stay the same on the sales page, you could charge a little bit more or more on that particular variant with these variant selections, and you would just select the particular variant. And then you just basically save. Now, it gives you this bird's eye view. It shows you what your prices are. The other thing I want to mention real quickly here is that you have bulk product updates. What these bulk product updates do for you is another really cool feature because it will allow you to pick off of collection or vendors and pick all of the items. Right now I pick vendors. If I picked all the items in here, then I could actually change all the prices on all of those products. So if you had hundreds of products under a certain collection and you didn't have a free plus shipping collection, or you would have a free plus shipping collection, you could actually change all of those all at once. So that makes it really easy for you to use in the store. The other thing I want to mention before I leave here, there's other features that it does have. You have this button right here. It says eComShipper application. Just make sure it's disabled while you set up all of your rules inside of the store. And then that way, as soon as you're ready, you'll be able to enable it at that point. I do also want to mention that you can change the name of standard shipping and express shipping in your store as well. All of these rules you can turn on or off, tiered pricing, all that stuff you can turn on or off. You have collection, you have shipping zones. Let's say you want to charge a little bit more in a certain zip code or country or state, you could actually do that with here. And then you have shipping rules where you can set rules based off the total amount or weight of an order, depending on how you have it set up. But really, the way this is set up is that way you can get away from weight, use those real-time shipping API calls that Shopify has, as long as you have it open, and you'll be able to get started right away with the eComShipper app.